Welcome to JH. Today we're taking a deep look at the Curri Driver app for those of you who are tired of smelling like lukewarm French fries and want to try something different. Curri is essentially Uber, but instead of transporting people who complain about your taste in music, you're hauling lumber, pipes, and tools to construction sites. They call themselves the #1 platform for construction delivery, which is a bold claim, but I suppose marketing departments need to justify their existence somehow. Let's talk about the money. Because let's be honest, that's the only reason any of us are here. Some drivers report making around $50 an hour for round trips, and the company claims full-timers can potentially pull in over $6,000 a month. Of course, your actual pay depends on how much heavy lifting you're willing to do and how far you're willing to drive. They offer same-day pay, which is great for people with zero patience, though you'll have to pay a fee to get it instantly, because heaven forbid a company lets you have your own money for free. To join the club, you need to be at least 18 with a social security number and commercial auto insurance. This isn't your average deliver a taco in a Prius gig. You'll need a truck, van, or a beefy SUV to actually handle the load. Drivers seem to love the flexibility and the fact that construction materials don't talk back or give you a 1-star review because you forgot the extra napkins. Plus, the support team actually responds to messages, which is a refreshing change from the usual experience of shouting into the void with other apps. It's not all sunshine and power tools, though. The app has an inactivity feature that's a bit too eager to kick you off, and because it's a niche market, there are fewer jobs available than your local pizza joint provides. Hauling heavy loads will also turn your vehicle into a gas-guzzling wreck faster than you can say transmission failure. Most pros recommend aiming for at least $2 a mile to actually see a profit after expenses. Overall, Curri is a solid addition to your gig app arsenal, provided you have the right wheels and don't mind a little dust. Let us know if you've tried it in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe, or don't. I'm not your boss. Thanks for watching.